fam, welcome back to day 9 of our arm and belly fat focus challenge. We are working again on those arms today. How are you guys feeling today after all those previous workouts? Well, just continue marching in sport with me so that we warm up our bodies, preparing the heart, the muscles for this workout. If you're new, please be sure to subscribe and hit that bell button so that you receive notifications every time I upload a new video. If you're returning, I'm very happy to be having you. Today, you will need your dumbbells again. We are going to be doing 3 minutes of arm raises, side and front. So I hope you are energized. I hope you are hydrated, and we shall be beginning our workout in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So pull your abs towards the spine, pick your dumbbells up safely, get into position, keep breathing in and out, and we shall begin. So you want to squeeze onto the dumbbells and we shall move them forward, bring it back and front. Squeeze, raise to the side, back and to the front. Keep breathing. Back and to the front. Squeeze onto your dumbbells, feeling your arm muscles working. Going. Focusing on quality of the move. Breathing and front. Don't give up, just keep going for 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Well done. And bring your dumbbells down. We are going to have 30 seconds of active rest. We shall just do some sport jogging. 30 seconds, breathing in and out and relaxing those muscles, preparing for our next minute. And we shall be beginning in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So get down safely, grab your dumbbells, and we begin the next minute. So we shall begin just about now. You want to reach out and back and to the front and back. Reach out and back and to the front and back, squeezing your dumbbells and using your muscles to move your hands. Don't forget to take a protein within 1 hour after doing our exercise, because proteins do help promote muscle building, which is our aim. Get rid of all that fat and replace it with the muscles. Keep going, keep breathing for 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. It's burning, guys. Just bring down your dumbbells and just give me 30 seconds of jogging. This is our active rest, guys. Catching your breath, relaxing those muscles, and we are preparing for the last minute. Keep going for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Feel free to grab some water or a protein shake or something if you need to. Otherwise, grab your dumbbells for the last minute, guys. We are almost there, so pull your arms towards the spine and let's get started just about now. Reach out, back and to the front. Reach out to the back and front. Make sure you're squeezing your arms towards the spine so that we engage them the entire time. and so that we keep the proper form. Keep breathing, keep going guys. It's burning, but don't give up, don't give in. We are almost done guys. Going. And of course, the heavier the dumbbells, the bigger the challenge. Keep going for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Whew. Well done guys, we did it. But before the end, we have to stretch out those muscles for 30 seconds. So just bring your hands forward like this, and you want to bend down your palms, and you want to stretch out those arms. We are stretching them out for 30 seconds, feeling that stretch in your palms, in your hands. Pull in your abs towards the spine, and just continue holding this right there, stretching out those muscles because they have done an amazing job today. Keep breathing in and out, and keep holding it right there for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And you want to come back up. You want to breathe in and breathe out, breathe in and breathe out. One more time, breathe in and breathe out. Coming to the end of today's workout guys, a high five if you've made it this far. Thank you very much for joining me. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up as usual, and leave me a comment if you have any questions or something to tell me, like how are you guys feeling after the previous workouts. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and families on social media. Invite them over to come and join us in this challenge. Don't forget to connect up with me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest, because I do share lots of wellness and useful tips over there too. It means a lot to me when you get to join my growing family on here. So don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button so that you receive notifications every time I upload a new video. Don't forget to check out my other videos as well. See you in tomorrow's video, and don't forget to love yourself first and keep fit for health. Bye bye.